Hey, it's Sandy, and in today's video, Hannah will be showing you 5 more ways to create ombre or gradient nails at home. If you missed her first video on this, check the link in the description box to go watch it.
Hi, it's Hannah. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every week. I'll be starting off with a base coat to help protect my natural nails. So the first way is with a sandwich bag. I'm going to be using a gold and black polish with black as my base color. And then I'm going to be using some liquid latex around my nail to help protect the skin. I'm going to apply the black and gold polish onto the plastic sandwich bag right next to each other, and then I'm going to press it onto the nail. Now I'll be removing the liquid latex and then cleaning up any excess with a brush and polish remover. The next way is with a fan brush. I'm going to be using 2 shades of blue, with the lighter one being the base color. I'll be applying the liquid latex for this one too. I'm going to apply both colors onto a plastic sandwich bag just like before, but this time I'm going to use a fan brush, and I'll be dipping the brush into the polish and then brushing it onto the nail. I'll be doing this one more time to get the look I want. Now I'll be removing the liquid latex and then cleaning up around the nail. The third way is with a kitchen sponge. I'll be using a coral and yellow polish, with yellow being the base color. This is really convenient because you should be able to find this in your kitchen, so I'm just going to take some scissors and cut a little piece off. I'm going to grab the piece with some tweezers and then dab it into the polish and then carefully sponge it onto the nail. I'll be doing this 2 to 3 more times until I get the gradient I want. The next way is with different types of glitter, so I'll be using loose silver glitter, purple and silver glitter polish, with purple being the base color. I'm going to take the glitter polish and apply it to the tip of the nail first, and then carefully bring it down to about the middle of the nail. And then I'm going to apply the larger glitter pieces over the smaller silver glitter. The last way is with just the brush of the bottle. I'm going to be using 2 shades of pink for this, with the lighter pink being a little bit sheer. I'll be taking the darker pink and applying it about halfway up the nail. And then I'm going to apply the sheer pink over the entire nail to help blend the colors together a bit. Finish with a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. And that's it! I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click the info card at the top right hand of the screen for more videos on CutePolish. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, then click the link in the description. Thanks for watching! Bye!